4 fish. This is 4 fish. The sound of F. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 has the letter F. I have 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see the one that's a different color? Yep, it's right there. It's a different color, isn't it? A little black. These are yellow and orange. Fran, Fred, Flip, and Floss. Those are their names. Flip is fat. Fat fish. It's a pretty fish. Fred is fast. Look, he swims fast. Fran and Floss finish last. There they are, Fran and Floss. I love my fish. Oh, look, she has a nice smile. She's checking on her fish. Fran, Fred, Flip, and Floss. There they are. I feed my fish. They're flake food. Look at that, the little flakes. Kind of puts them on the water, sprinkles them on the water. I keep the water fresh. So she changes out the water. She pours out the old, and she's putting new water in to keep her fish healthy. I wished I could swim with my fish. She really likes fish. She's going swimming. She has her goggles on. Love it. The word list. Fast, fat, feed, finish, fish, flake, flip, floss, food, for, Fran, Fred, and fresh. And for more books and resources, you can just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you for listening. The letter F.